So this is a beautiful topic where the designing of a molecule or a fragment or a lead plays a role. So finding out the lead with the help of any tools using computer. That is, you are not going to discover the drug in a lab. You are going to discover a drug using mathematical tools like QSAR, and then you are going to design a drug based on the structure of a protein using a computer. So these topics comes under quantitative structure activity relationship, computer aided drug design, and molecular modeling, so forth and so on. So the first topic is the first aim is to find out the lead. So before going to the finding out the lead, there was a beautiful concept called as prodrug. So what do you mean by a prodrug? What do you mean by a prodrug? Pro. What is the meaning of pro? Already existing. No. The drug goes inside the body. Yes, very good. The inactive portion gets converted into the active portion. So the inactive form gets converted into the active form. So you are giving a precursor. That precursor, due to the enzymatic activity in the biological fluid, it will get converted into the drug. So that drug is biologically active. So in case of many marketed available formulations, there exist prodrugs, proprodrugs. In case of anti-cancer therapy, you are having a concept called as proprodrugs. That means you will be having an already existing molecule. That molecule you will change the linker. That linker will carry and exhibits the biological activity. So the bioprecursor is called as the prodrug. The prodrug will enter the receptor. Due to the enzymatic activity, it will get converted into the drug. I will repeat the same. So we have seen about the first point in the drug design. What is a drug design means? The designing of a molecule or finding out the lead. Lead means any fragment that is going to give a biological activity. If you get the lead, that says about the essential chemical groups. That means, for example, you are having a receptor like this, and you are having a provision for including this particular length, this particular length, this particular length. You will come out with a molecule like this. This is aminophenol derivative. So the first hydroxy group will get binded with the A, and the longer portion of this particular fragment will get binded with the B. The last portion will get binded with the C. So when there exhibits the fitting, this is called as best fit. That means the chemical gets exact fit. So in case of drug design, your challenge is finding out the best fit. So when you are going to find out the best fit, there are many methodologies. One is quantitative structure activity relationship. So far we have seen about SAR. SAR means what the drug does to the receptor. The essential groups which are related with the biological activity. I will repeat this. For example, in case of penicillins, you have a thiazolidine nucleus, you have a beta-lactam ring, you have a methyl groups, you have carboxylic acid. How much it is going to contribute to the biological activity like antibacterial, antibiotic? So if it is going to act in the cell wall, whether this penicillin is going to bind the cell wall or it is going to act at the transpeptidase level is measured. like if it is measured, it is quantitative structure activity relationship. The amount of biological activity exhibited by the chemical group, if it is measured quantitatively using mathematical expressions, then that is called as quantitative structure activity relationship. Once again I'll repeat the definition. SAR means the biological relationship is interpreted with the chemical structure. In case of quantitative structure activity relationship, the amount of biological activity, for example, the contribution of thiazolidine ring to the biological activity, the contribution of the carboxylic acid to the biological activity, the contribution of the beta-lactam ring to the biological activity. That means if you are coming out with a substrate like electron withdrawing and electron donating groups, whether the activity will be increased or diminished will be calculated. That is the aim of doing quantitative structure activity relationship. So to summarize, the designing of a drug is called as quantitative structure activity relationship. And the definition says like how much amount of the functional group is going to contribute to the biological activity. That is called as SAR.